This morning we have comments on VivoPower. The company announced on August 3rd that they have eliminated most of virtually all of their debt. 100% of their 28.8 million shareholder debt that was owed. 16.5 million was converted under a PIPE that they had, and then 12.3 million was repaid in cash. This removes interest expense from the company and improves, obviously, the credit quality of the company, particularly the Nordic AI build out. And so we view this as a very nice situation for the company as they move forward with their build out strategy. Of course, the company, the board has also approved separating the 2.2 gigawatt non-Nordic portfolio, which was included of the UAE, Oman, and Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, and the Philippines, those build outs into an independently listed and capitalized platform. And this moves the portfolio capital expenditures off of VivoPower's balance sheet, while the company retains the de facto control over those. But this importantly leaves the company as being focused on its Nordic AI infrastructure business. And so we look at this as a key operational, as both as a capital allocation issue as the company builds out its Nordic pipeline, and it makes it much more cleaner story in my view. And when you look at the stock is trading at 0.6 times our enterprise value to our EBITDA estimate of 121 million. That's well below industry peers that are trading as high as 10.4. So we think that there's a lot of upside here. Right now, at least, we are reiterating our price target of $10. Now, importantly, the reason why we have waited to put this note out is because we've been trying to reach management to do a call with them to refine our model following this announcement. We have not been successful in doing that yet. As many of you guys know, the company hasn't been quite as responsive, and we had a large amount of issues in trying to even get them to meet with us to finalize the initiation of this company. So it's very frustrating in trying to get a hold of the management team. But we decided to put this out because it is a significant event. But we will hopefully talk with the management soon to refine the model, given the fact that they have done these pipes as well as paid off their debt, and to refine the model. So bottom line here is the stock is compelling, and we reiterate our outperform rating.